Welcome back to the Crochet Karate. So my friends at yarnspirations.com have a scarf for you using Bernat Wavelength yarn. This was using one whole ball to make a nice scarf that is 6 inches wide by 58 inches long. And I reduced the hook size to a 4.5 millimeter, which is a US 7 crochet hook. And by reducing it, it condenses it down. And you'll notice is that it looks like a rib stitching that has been done here. So it's a nice flat stitch, but it's really quite easy to do in front of the TV. And one evening you can have this done and the color is transitioning as you see right on its own. Let's begin this pattern. So let's begin, and you can either chain 30, which will give you exactly what the scarf asks for, or you can do multiples of 4 plus 2. So you go 4, 4, 4. When you're happy with the width of it, just add 2 more chains to keep the balance. And that's what I'm going to do. So either chain 30 or do multiples of 4 plus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy with the width? Yes or no. If not, keep on going. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you're happy with the width of it, just add 2 more, and that'll create the balance that you'll need. So either chain 30 or do multiples of 4 plus 2. And let's begin row number 1. In row number 1, you're going to go second chain from the hook. So you got 1 and then 2. Get the back hump of the chain because I think it looks nicer. And if you don't want to, then it's up to you. And just single crochet there. You're now going to chain 3, so 1, 2, 3, and skip 3 chain. So look at the back hump because you've already got it. So 1, 2, 3, go to the 4th one away and single crochet. And you're going to do that all the way to the end of your chain. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet in the 4th. So go all the way across your chain with that. So 1, 2, 3, skip 3, so 1, 2, 3, and single crochet in the 4th one away. Please do this all the way across. Just put me on pause. And if you're ready to keep on going, just stay with me. So 1, 2, 3, skipping 3, and the 4th one is the very last one. So if you keep your stitch multiples correct, that'll work out every time, and it will look like this. So you'll turn your work and begin row number 2. So we're going to follow the pattern now. It's been established, and you're just going to chain 1 and single crochet into the first single crochet. And then we're only going to play in the single crochets, so that means that we have to jump over these chain 3 spaces. So just chain 3 to jump, so 1, 2, 3, and slam in a single crochet in the single crochet that exists. This is really easy to do in front of the TV. So 1, 2, 3, and single crochet in the next single, and you'll do this all the way across. The first one will appear a little bit more open than the rest of them, but you know, who cares? It looks great. So 1, 2, 3, and single into the single, and 1, 2, 3, and single into your last single on the edge. Okay, and then turn your work, and then you can begin the next row. So every row now is exactly the same until the yarn ball runs out. So technically the 3rd row is the same as number 2, just chain up 1 to start, single into the 1st, and chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, single into the single, and 1, 2, 3, single into the single. So 1, 2, 3. So you'll do that until you're happy with the length of it. So if you want it longer, you can. And with the self-transitioning yarn, it looks pretty cool. And you end up with like almost a grid look, but it's really quite an awesome look. So it's not too condensed, but the colors will come out perfectly each and every time. This here is the chain link scarf.